The Exegetical Guide runs detailed analysis on the underlying Greek or Hebrew text in any Bible passage, including grammatical constructions, visualized diagrams, and a word-by-word study of your passage. You can access the guide from two different places. First, you can open the guide from the navigation menu. This is the best place to start if you're running the guide from scratch. Alternatively, if you're already viewing the passage you want to study, expand the Actions menu and tap Exegetical Guide. A new tab opens and runs the guide on the verse you're currently viewing. However you access it, you can adjust the guide's passage range in the input field or with the verse picker. The guide pulls from your own resources, so your results will be customized to your library. You may need internet access to view and interact with some of the sections if those resources aren't yet downloaded. The first section, Apparatus, helps you examine any textual variants in your passage. Select any apparatus to view its contents. Grammars reveal the grammatical constructions in your passage and help you better understand and interpret the underlying Greek or Hebrew. If you own resources that show visual diagrams of the biblical text, the Exegetical Guide shows them under Visualizations. These diagrams expose the structure of your passage and help you understand how the words and clauses relate to each other. Finally, the word-by-word section reveals important lexical data for each word in your passage, including lemma, root, and morph information. Your preferred Bible marks each studied word bold. Tap any Greek or Hebrew word to quickly run a word study. Or tap any dictionary or lexicon abbreviation to show its entry for your word. The Exegetical Guide collates your original language resources to help you understand and interpret your passage accurately.